What? What's the matter?
We used all the fuel.
Oh no! Oh, we dump it out of the boat.
Oh, we can pull it out of the boat.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, no, we didn't. I swear there's fuel because it's in the fucking boat.
Here's the fucking thing, man. Here. Trainer, get it all out of mine. Probably be a while before it runs again anyway.
Nah. Get those bastards back on. Sucking the gas out of the boat. Like some real gas thieves.
Cool, yep. That's all you need? That's all that was in there. Jeez. I guess it was a long run at the end too.
Up, man. You need a intervention.
I'm going through too much nitro.
That's 25% with 8% lube.
Well, we need hotter fuel, man. Shit.
Dude, that's a lot of lube.
They don't have 30 with more than what, 5%, 6%?
No, it's they have 30% nitro, but it'll usually have like 10 or 11% fuel, or I mean
now
oil.
We got fuel.
So
I had a gallon at the
oil
house.
cools it down.
Yeah.
So I mean, whatever. There we go. Put this back on so everything doesn't fly out when I'm going down the road, cause
looks good with the red hood, dude. It looks right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't even sweat it.
Hogan, man. Hollywood Hogan. Well, not Hollywood, but.
All right, man. Let's do it.
Black and white Hogan. Boy, this guy's got a little tiny little tank.
What'd you lose?
I said, did I not get the glow igniter out? I didn't.
Nope.
Yeah, bring that 6S battery on, man.
Buzz the camera.
What's that?
Buzz the camera. You almost hit it that time.
I didn't see it.
Ooh, nice. Yeah.
Good one, huh?
That was good, man.